This is our instructional material plan entitled
Adventure Map.
So my name is Vincent R. Banglista.
And my name is Anito Campilan.
Today I'm Cesar Chidron. I am Kimberly Solis.
And Gilbert Perez.
Nako Emiliano.
And we are Group 2.
Everyone, so among introduce first is ang I am entitled the Adventure Map. So introduce na ko ang I am topic, content, materials, and the procedure. So ang topic sa among I am is all about Cartesian plane. So every group and every station have different kinds of problems. So then na mo is gina-introduce na mo ang map sa province of Agusan del Sur, which is among basihan sa among coordinates sa Cartesian plane. Next is sa kada station is na ay mga set of problems. So sa station 1 is ang set of problems which is find the following coordinates of the following. Next is what quadrant does each region belong to? Then third station is the coordinates of the points, which is ilang pangitaon sa map. Next is pangitaon niya ang value sa x and y na ang bukod nila basihan na pangitaon sa Cartesian plane. Next is every coordinates na makita nila is na ay nakabuo na figure or shapes. So next is makita na nila ilang shapes is ilagay yung wao din ng mga shapes na i-paste din nila sa board kanina mga shapes. So muna siya ang mga materials na nakabutang sa mga station. So muna siya station 4 for station 4. Next is the flags. Then makani siya ng mga materials is common lang siya makita sa mga school supplies, which is very accessible. Then muna yung mga content sa mga topic. So, introduce ako again ang procedure. So, ang first procedure is ang students is grouped into 5 groups. So, we have only 5 students. So, each student is representing a group. So, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, and Group 5. So, ang Group 1 is magsugod sa Station 1. Paglong sa Group 5 na magsugod siya sa Station 5 para di sila mag-buot sa ihang rotation. So, na ako nang gihatag sila ang ilahang ganito nun, which is ang map sa Agusan del Sur with the bond paper provided. So, if Group 1 is na-finish na niya ang iyang problem sa group sa Station 1 is pwede na siya mag-move sa Station 2. So, pwede na ba mo?
Yes, sir!
Okay. Bago na ako malimtan is ma-solve na ninyo talagang problem sa Station 1 at Station 5 na yung mga coordinates na nag-represent ng shapes. So, muna siya, kung makuha ninyo na makita ninyo sa inyo ang Cartesian plane na square ang nakakuha sa coordinates, magkuha po dali dahil ipilit ninyo sa dito Sige. Pwede na mo?
Yes, sir!
Okay, start! Okay, 1. So, I only give 10 seconds na ma-answer mo sa first station. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, next, go to the next station. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sige, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, proceed to the next station. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, to the last station. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, okay, ilagin niyo yung mga shapes. Alright, wala. So, I think all the groups got their correct shapes that they're put in the board. So, from the activity of the IELTS earlier, so, guys, ang students is na-introduce sa ways or using sa Cartesian plane o kung saan nila pag-locate sa mga coordinates. So, the topic for the IELTS is all about Cartesian plane. So, discuss na ko what is Cartesian plane. It is the system we use for plotting coordinates on a grid. We can use it to find any points based on how long and up or down it is. The plane is formed by the intersection of a vertical axis and horizontal axis, which is the value of x and y, which sit perpendicular to each other. So every axis is nas like one meeting point. So kuto ilang mga by using sa IELTS activities ganina earlier sa IELTS is gagamitan ako siya ng mga points for the coordinates na nag-present sa shapes in the Agusan del Sur. Ang base sa Cartesian plane is na siya background sa mapa sa Agusan del Sur, which is nag-indicate sa location sa region. Next is the Cartesian plane is named after the French mathematician and philosopher René Descartes from 1596 to 1650, who introduced the coordination system to show how algebra could be used to solve geometric problems. So, sa main focus sa among IELTS is all about collaboration, which is the integration about sa globalization, social, multicultural, and social literacy. Then, ang nag-focus sa among IELTS is all about, from what I said earlier, is all about collaboration. So, we are lacking sa students, agad every group is represent only one student. Then, wala ka siya na-emphasize ang collaboration because of that. And thank you.